Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted the first StarLine B96 with remote engine start. What it has, it comes with a two-way pager, comes with GSM, GPS, phone alert, phone ring and an app to show you what's happening on the vehicle. What this product also has, it comes with hands-free, which means as you walk away with the Bluetooth tag, it automatically arms itself. When it arms itself, it gives a tilt, motion, shock, glass break sensor and dual zone proximity, which is selectable. As I walk away from the vehicle, you're going to see it arm by using this tag, which is a Bluetooth ID recognition tag. So I'm going to walk away, you're going to see it arm. And as I return, it disarms. There you go, that's hands free. You've also got the option to arm and disarm through this. One bleep, one flash is on. Two bleeps, two flashes off. You've also got this pager in the background that does the same. One bleep, one flash on. See the dome around the outside saying it's armed. Come back, hit it again. Disarm. Also it gives us indications. If it sees something open and arming, it will give us an alert. So we'll do that now quickly. So say for example on this particular vehicle, if you left any door slightly ajar, you see the actual pages giving us an alert. If I arm it, it's going to give me extra bleeps to tell me seeing a door ajar. So let's disarm it and just run through some features quickly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you some sensors. So first of all, I'm going to show you the shock sensor. There you go, it's just hands-free armed. I'm going to show you the pre-warn. I'm going to show you the glass break sensor. Then I'm going to turn on the proxy and I'm going to show you the proxy. So first I'm going to show you the impact sensor.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Shock sensor activated.
That was the impact sensor. Obviously it's given us an alert on the two-way pager also. Now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you the glass break sensor. So basically that was the glass break sensor. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go inside and I'm going to turn on the selectable proxy and you're going to see that trigger. So on this system all we've done is you hit the valet switch once, jump out the vehicle and arm it. I'm going to wait for it to set and then I'm going to go close to the vehicle and you're going to see it pre-warn. There's the pre-warn telling us there's a pre-warn. So I'm going to pause it and I'm going to disarm it. So as soon as I disarm it, it turns off the proxy, so you've got the option to enable or disable. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to arm it in the normal way. Now I've got tilt, motion, shock, glass. This also has something very, very snazzy that we've done. This has remote engine start. As I said, we're the first in the UK to do the B96 with remote start. Show remote start. If you push and hold this button to the left, you'll hear that noise. If you listen carefully, it's going to start. There you go. Very, very straightforward. Now you have two ways of using the remote start. If you want to keep the remote start running, you basically jump in, disarm the system so it knows that it's you. It keeps on running. You then jump in, put the key in the ignition, turn the ignition on, put your foot on the brake, and it takes over. So I'm going to do that now so you can see it running. So I'm going to disarm the system. That's called takeover mode. So therefore I don't have to turn it off, the heating's nice and warm and it keeps on running. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off the ignition and I'm going to arm it again, but this time I'm going to actually remotely start it, attempt an attack, and you're going to see that it's actually going to trigger, okay, and switch off. If you're for example, a thief and he sees a running vehicle and he thinks, oh great, I'm going to jump in and take it, can't do that. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to arm it. I'm going to remotely start it. You can see it running. Smoke's coming out the back of the pager. So I'm going to leave the system on and I'm going to go and try and attack it. There you go, you can see the doors flashing. The remote starter switched off. It's alerted me. And it's seen the point of entry by the door flashing. Very, very clever bit of kit. Very clever. This product's also got a GSM system on it. It's got GPS. It's got a tracker. Got an app and it's got phone notification if the alarm is triggering action. So say for example, the reason why we've given this pager is the customer was a bit worried about him not having any GPS or GSM with his tracker and his phone app. So this will give him an alert. Very clever bit of kit. Also, it's got a Bluetooth ID tag. So basically what it means is as soon as you walk away, it arms itself and it actually activates an immobiliser. So if this tag's not present, not only will the vehicle not start, the alarm will trigger, it will start to ring us and it will send us a text. It's very clever. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. As I said, we were the first to fit the B96 with remote start. Not just the B96, there's been other people that fitted it. Very clever. Thanks for watching. 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.